Good morning, student of class 10th. Welcome to online platform of Sri Academy. In mathematics, today I discussed a new chapters pair of linear equation in two variable. Student, all of you know the linear equations. It means you can say that the equation has degree 1, then it is called linear equations, and it contain two variable x and y, then it is called linear equation in two variables. Then I discussed one by one the linear equation into variable. The equations contain two variable and degree 1 is called linear equation into variable. For example, 2x plus 3y equal to 8. The standard form of linear equation in two variable. The standard form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. Now, pair of linear equation into variable. The standard form of pair of linear equation in two variables are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are real numbers. For examples, 3x minus 5y plus 10 equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0 is examples of pair of linear equation in two variables. Now, the solution of pair of linear equation in two variables. The value of x and y which satisfy the pair of linear equation in two variable is called the solution of pair of linear equation in two variables. Now, the characters are nature of the pair of linear equation in two variables. If the pair of linear equation in two variables in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. First, if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it has unique solution. are intersecting lines, or it is consistent. Then you can solve by any method. You can find the values of x and y. Second, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it has infinite number of solution or coincident line or consistent. Third, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it has no solution or parallel lines or inconsistent. Student, there are three natures of the pair of linear equations in two variables. To find the solution of pair of linear equations in two variables, according to your syllabus, there are four methods to find the solution of pair of linear equation in two variables. First, graphical method. Second, substitution method. Third, elimination method. Fourth, cross multiplication method. But the fourth method is deleted. Student, then you can say that according to three methods, you can find the solution of pair of linear equation in two variable. It means by graphical method or substitution method or elimination method. Student, all of you complete it. This is the homework. Thanks.